Baby taro deep fry. Wash them and boil them, but trust me, it'll be worth it. The final product was very tasty. Peel the cooked taros. Cut them in thin slices. Take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and powder them. 1 to 2 medium-sized tomatoes to make a puree. Add the powdered fennel to the puree. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a chili powder according to your spice level. Add the required amount of salt. Now add the cut taros. Now gently mix it and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 teaspoon of split black gram and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of Asafetida. And mix. To this, add the taro mixture and cook on slow fire. This might take 20 to 25 minutes. Cook till it's deep fried. Add curry leaves. Cook for a few more minutes until it is nice and crisp. Now your baby taro deep fry is ready. Enjoy your dish and please leave a comment below.